Now you are going to come to your Google Play Store, and then you are going to install this Money Master PSB app. Please note that this application, it is not a fraudulent app. It is actually a payment app, a VTU, fintech payment app, like the likes of PalmPay, OPay, and the likes, Money Point. So be rest assured that this is not fraudulent activities. So your details is secure. That's why I'm going to take you through the step by step tutorial on how you are going to get the 75 gig data. Now, as you can see, now that the app has been downloaded, so I'm just going to click on open, and as you can see, the app is also licensed by the central bank. So now, pay with zero stress. As you can see, as I told you before, that it is a fintech app, which means you can use it to make payment and everything, buy recharge card, your data, and all that. So without taking much of your time, you are going to click on next, and just click on next, or you click on continue. Now, since you don't have an account before, I believe since you are watching this video, you don't have any knowledge about it before, so you are starting it for the first time. Definitely you are going to open an account. And please note that if you want to open this particular account, the only eligible sim that you can use is actually your Glow sim. Yes, please beware, your Glow sim. So now you are going to input your Glow sim, the everything that is required here, the address and your state and everything. Of course, I'm going to fill out everything right here and proceed. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, after clicking on continue and it has loaded, after choosing your preferred verification method, either the BVN or the NIN. So now you are going to enter your name, ID. To the phone number that I input. So I'm going to enter the OTP. So I'm going to click on continue with the OTP. After confirming the OTP, so as you can see, the wallet number has been generated for me, and as you can see, since my information is correct automatically, so it shows my information right here. I'm just going to click on confirm to proceed. Then I'm going to input my password. I'm going to click on continue right here after inputting the password. Now, this is the last step. I'm going to set the security question. So let me just so that's it. And then after you have answered, set the security question and also the answer, you are going to load and enter your create your transaction pin. So once you have confirmed your transaction pin, as you can see, the transaction pin was created successfully and is going to load for you to probably log in into the app. So I'm waiting for it to load. It usually take quite a bit of sometimes, so it's due to the app. As you can see, registration successful. So basically the account was automatically upgraded to tier 3 straight away, simply because I used my NIN and the BVN straightforward in creating the account. So I'm going to log in right now. So I'm going to log in. Yes, I'm going to enter the password. As you can see, I receive a message. This the message that I also receive. Hello, click on your saving account has been declared. Welcome on board. Your access code is click on, and as you can see, there is nothing right here, and once to log in. Now, this is the message we are talking about. As you can see, I'm still on the screen record, and this is the message. Congrats, you receive data bonus. Now, for us to confirm this data bonus, I already have my Glow Cave app, so I'm just going to take you through it right there while we are at it. As you can see, my total data, it is now 77.6 gig. That's my total data. Now, if I click on more details right here like this, as you can see, this is the data. This is the 75 gig data. So that's why I'm going to show. As you can see, it's the bonus, and I've never used it, and you can see it's bonus, and the data is only valid for one single day. For a day, 75 gig. So which means it's going to expire tomorrow. You know, this is 20 and this is 10th of July, and we are at a to 12 11:49, and as you can see, it's reading 11 July 2026, which is tomorrow. As you can see, my current data is meant to expire on is meant to expire at next tomorrow, which is on Sunday. As you can see right here, on Sunday. So this is to show you that this actually works, and it works. That's why I have to record it, the whole process for you from A to Z, so that you can see that this update is genuine, is real, and there is no gimmick. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share. Of course, I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.